how to turn on or turn off Game Center, help friends find you with email and phone number on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Game Center. Next, we go down and then tap on Help Friends Find You. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn this on, allow Game Center friends to identify you more easily by the email address and phone number associated with your Apple account. So if you turn this on, your friend can quickly look you up by email address or a phone number. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.